Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have very good news. My goodie box of last month has reached 66,000 views. I was extremely surprised about it and very happy. Thank you for everybody that watched it. I think so far that's my best performing video so far. It's onwards and upwards. Let's hope this month's goodie box is as good as last month's. I will link the website of the goodie box below if you are interested in ordering it, but let's go ahead and opening it. Yay! I'm very sorry about the lighting. It's quite a great day outside and yeah, finishing to open it, but it's always a good feeling. Voila! I do like the flowers and it's going to go well with the other box I have. So once again, always happy about the box. I don't know if it's about the box or because it's got such a nice drawer or the content inside. Always happy. So let's go ahead and open it up. Always get a card with the information. I explained it last time. In case you guys don't know, it's $29.95 in Switzerland to order goodie box, and it is $19.95 to order it in Germany. There's a 10 Swiss franc difference, which is quite a lot. I think this is what we see inside. I will start off with Hygien's. This is it's a body scrub, not bad. Oh, very almondy. It says it's got peppermint essentials, which I can't detect at all. I would have liked the peppermint smell a lot better. Not crazy about the almond smell, but let me see how much this retails for. One moment. This body scrub retails for €18. It intends to remove dead skin and cells and dandruff. I'll give it a shot. I'll try it. Like I said, I'm not crazy about the smell, but I guess they can't please everybody. Next thing, what shall we do? Ooh, mud masky. This is a leave-on mask. Now I'm always a little bit not sure about a leave-on mask. What's the difference between a leave-on mask and a really thick cream? Oh, SPF 10, so you can leave it on during the day. SPF I always wear higher than 10, so that's not gonna make or break the deal. It brightens, it protects, restores, moisturizes, everything that a cream does, but it's been called a mask. Okay, fair enough, I'll take it. Now this retail, oh my goodness, €39. No ways. I am not going to pay €39 for this if I see it. Like I said, if I compare this with a good moisturizer, I'm just being honest. If you want to pay that, fair enough. Up to you. Ooh, this is the Near brush again. You know how I feel brushes. I can't get enough. I'm really happy about this one. Feels quite soft, a little bit more dense than the last month's one, but I think this will be perfect for blush brush. And oh, it is a radiant blush. This brush retails for €16. Good price, reasonable. I can see that. Love Pixie by Pietra. This is a lip balm, and this retails, I don't know how I'm gonna get it opened, it's totally sealed. Color that I got is Radiant Rose. Sorry for my lips. I'm gonna have to get in there with my teeth. You know, the best tool that you have is your teeth. Not good for my dentist, but woman's gotta do what a woman's gotta do. Okay, so it's open. I do like ooh, it's got a nice color. It's almost like a natural pinky. I'm gonna swatch it, and it does give off. Very nice. I'm very happy with this one. So this retails for $9.95, so €10. Yeah, I would have paid that, and I think that's quite a good price. I do, like I said, I do like their products. And last but not least, oh no, it's not lost. There's still one thing inside. Bella Pear, and this is a blush. And I have, mineral blush, which is always good. And I have this in amaretto color. Very nice blush. I'm gonna use this one, and this retails for 18.95, so 19 euros. Happy about that one. So 2 products that I'm happy about this for. And then what on earth were they thinking? Unless you're stuck in the 80s, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I guess this is just a extra product. Oh, no. This retails for 6 euro, I think. Hold on, let me just check if I have the right scrunchie here with me. Yeah. No, I'm sorry. I will never pay that price. And for me, it's just a extra product that they filled it in. They could have left this one out for me. It wasn't necessary. Spoiled a little bit. So this month, all in all, I would say 2 products that I really like, and the